National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Conway County in central Arkansas, west central Faulkner County in central Arkansas, northeastern Perry County in central Arkansas until 6 p.m. At 5:21 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This severe storm was located 2 miles east of Houston, or 9 miles south of Plumerville. Doppler radar showed this severe storm moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Locations in the path of this dangerous storm include Plumerville, Conway, Wooster, Toadsuck, Spring Hill, Springfield, Pickles Gap, Menifee, Houston, Beaver Fork Lake, New Dixie, Mount Olive, Bigelow, Stony Point, Shady Grove, Nochal, Linter, Jefferson Mountain. This includes Interstate 40 between mile markers 113 and 127. The National